Hello, my dear students. How are you? Hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, let's enjoy the class. Follow the following sentences. Monica opened the door. The door was opened by Monica. Dear students, can you guess what are you going to learn today? Today's lesson is voice change. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to define voice, identify active and passive voice, change active to passive or vice versa. What is voice? Voice is the form of the verb which indicates whether the subject does the work or something has been done to it. There are two kinds of voices. They are active voice and passive voice. What is active voice? When the subject of a sentence is the doer or actor, the verb is in active voice. It is so because the subject is active, such as I do the work, he does the work. What is passive voice? When the subject of a sentence is acted upon, the verb is in passive voice. It is so because the subject is passive, such as the work is done by me and the work is done by him. A structure of passive voice: subject plus auxiliary verb plus be or being or been if needed, plus V3 means past participle form of verb plus preposition by or to or at or with plus object. Rules for changing active voice into passive. The object of the verb in active voice becomes the subject of the passive verb in the passive voice. The subject of the verb in the active voice becomes the object in the passive voice, generally preceded by the preposition. The main verb is changed into the past participle form and it is preceded by the correct form of the verb to be in passive voice. There are some verbs with two objects. In such cases, either of the sub-object, preferably the personal object, can be changed into the subject and the other is retained as an object. This object is called retained object. Verb patterns of passive voice. How to use auxiliary verb in a passive voice? Without auxiliary present form of verb, if the sentence of an active voice there is no auxiliary verb and the principal verb is present form, then you will use am, is, are, am, is or are as an auxiliary verb in a passive voice, such as they buy a car. Here buy is a present form of verb. According to structure, a car subject is auxiliary verb and bought past participle form of buy and by preposition and them object of they. Am, is, are if the sentence of an active voice has am, is, are, you have to use am being or is being or are being as an auxiliary verb in a passive voice, such as Nahar is singing a song. According to structure, a song is being, sung by Nahar. Have has, if the sentence of an active voice has, then you have to use have been or has been an auxiliary verb in a passive voice, such as Sadia has bought a new dress. A new dress has been bought by Sadia. Have been has been will be changed into have been being or has been being in a passive voice, such as Ima has been reading the story for an hour. According to structure, the story has been being read by Ima for an hour. Without auxiliary past form of verb, if the sentence of an active voice there is no auxiliary verb and the principal verb is past form, then you have to use was or were an auxiliary verb in a passive voice, such as Tania cooked rice. Rice was cooked by Tania. Was were changed into was being or were being in a passive voice, such as Sumi was making tea. Tea was being made by Sumi. Had changed into had been in a passive voice, such as they had seen the picture had been seen by them. And had been changed into had been being in a passive voice, such as they had been playing cricket had been being played by them. Shall, should, will, would, may, might, can, could, must, ought to, used to change into shall be, should be, will be, would be, may be, might be, can be, could be, must be, ought to be, used to be in a passive voice, such as you will play football. Football will be played by you. Shall be, will be changed into shall be being or will be being in a passive voice, such as Nipa will be singing a song. A song will be being sung by Nipa. Shall have, will have changed into shall have been or will have been in a passive voice, such as they will have played cricket. Cricket will have been played by they. Shall have been, will have been changed into shall have been being or will have been being in a passive voice, such as Rima will have been making tea. Tea will have been being made by Rima. Is to, am to, are to, was to, were to, have to, has to, had to, am going to, is going to, are going to, was going to, were going to are changed into is to be, am to be, are to be, was to be, were to be, have to be, has to be, had to be, am going to be, is going to be, are going to be, was going to be, were going to be, such as we have to drink clean water. Clean water has to be drunk by us. Now I am going to open a bank account. A bank account is going to be opened by me. My dear students, you are advised to watch the video regularly and prepare yourself at home. So may you live in peace. Allah Hafiz.